Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Today I am going to start chapter 4 with exercise 4a. The first question is find each of the following products. So in this question we have to find the product of two terms. Here we have only one difference, that we have two different variables. Starting solution, I have to multiply 6x with minus 2y. So first I have to multiply their sign. Plus minus will be minus. So I'm writing a minus sign here. 6 into 2 means 12. Then finally I have to multiply their variables. X into y means xy. So minus 12xy is our answer. Now I am starting part B for you. So I have to multiply 14x with half y. First we have to multiply their sign. Starting solution, plus 14xy and plus half y. So both have a plus sign, so their sign will be positive. Then we have to multiply the coefficients. So 14 multiplied with half. In the end we have to multiply their variables. So x into y means xy. So when we multiply 14 with half, we have to cancel them with each other. 2 ones are 2 and 2 sevens are 14. So we have 7xy. This is our answer. Now I am starting question number 2 for you. Expand each of the following expression. In part A, we have to multiply 8x with y minus 1. Here we have to multiply the distributive law. First we have to multiply this 8x with y, and then we have to multiply this 8x with minus 1. We have already did this kind of question in exercise 3a. So I am multiplying this 8x with y plus 8 into 1 8 and x into y means xy. Then I have to multiply this 8x with minus 1 plus minus 8 into 1 8 and x. So this is the answer. In part B we have 9x and inside the bracket we have 3y minus 2z. So I have to multiply minus 9x with this 3y first. Then we have to multiply minus 9x with minus 2z. Starting solution. When I am multiplying this minus 9x with 3y, first I have to multiply their sign. Minus plus minus, 9 3s are 27. Then multiply x into y means xy. Then we have to multiply minus 9x with minus 2z. Minus plus 9 2s are 18. So I have to write 18. X into z means xz. So this is our answer. Next I am doing part G for you. Minus 6h will be multiplied with 7k minus 3h. So we have to apply the distributive law here. Minus plus minus, 6 into 7 42 and h into k means hk. Then we have to multiply minus 6h with minus 3h. So minus into minus means plus, and 6 into 3 means 6 3s are 18, and h into h means we have same basis, their powers will be added. We have power 1 here and power 1 here, so I have to write h raised to the power 1 plus 1. Okay, as we have power 1 on both sides. So minus 42 hk will remain same, and here we have 18 h square. This is our answer. Now I am doing part J for you. We have to multiply minus 7, and inside the bracket we have more than 2 terms. Here we have 3 terms, but the solution will be same. We have to apply the distributive law here. Now here we have to multiply minus 7s first with s. First we have to multiply minus 7s with s, then with minus 40, and in the end we have to multiply minus 7 with minus 3u. So we are applying distributive law here. Starting solution. When we multiply minus 7s with s, minus minus plus minus plus minus, and s into s means 1 plus 1. When we multiply with second term, we have to write minus minus plus, and 7 fours are 28. So 28 s into t means st. We have to write in alphabetical order. Minus minus plus 7 threes are 21, and when we multiply s with u, we will get su, as the both variables are different. So we can write minus 7, 1 plus 1 means s square, plus 28 st plus 21 su. This will be our answer. Now I am starting question 3 for you. Expand and simplify each of the following. These questions are same as we did in exercise 3a. We have to apply the distributive law twice separately on each side. Starting from this side, first we have to multiply 7a with 3b, then we have to multiply 7a with minus 4c, and on this side we have to multiply plus 4a with plus 3c first, then we have to multiply this plus 4a with minus 2b. Starting solution from here, first we have to multiply their sign, plus plus plus, 7 threes are 21, a into b means ab, then plus minus minus, 7 into 4 means 28, a into c will be ac. Moving towards this side, we have to multiply their sign, plus plus plus, 4 into 3 means we have 4 threes 12, and a into c means ac, then plus minus minus, 4 into 2 8, and a into b means ab. So you can notice that we have like terms here. We have ab, 21ab and 8ab, these are two like terms, and 28ac and 12ac, these are also like terms. I am writing the like terms together. So first 21ab, another like term with ab is minus 8ab, then minus 28ac and plus 12ac, these are also like terms. So we have to simplify these like terms. Plus 21ab and minus 8ab, plus minus minus, we have to subtract these two terms. So 21 minus 8 will be 13ab. We have to put the sign of bigger term. Here we have 21 as our bigger term and it has a positive sign, so I am writing plus 13ab. Minus 28ac plus 12ac, so minus plus minus, we have to subtract these two terms, and 28 minus 12 will be 16, so we have to write 16ac. Here we have bigger term 28ac with a negative sign, so we have to put a negative sign with this 16ac, so I am writing minus 16ac. This is our answer. Now I am doing question number 4 for you. Expand each of the following expression. In this question, we have to split the first bracket and we have to multiply its term with the second bracket. So we have to multiply this x with x plus 6y first. We have to multiply this x with the second bracket, then we have to multiply this plus y with x plus 6y. So starting solution, we have to split the first bracket with the second one, writing x with this second bracket x plus 6y, so plus x into x plus 6y. Then we have to write the second term, that is plus y, with this second bracket x plus 6y, so writing plus y and x plus 6y. So I have splitted the first bracket with the second bracket. Now we have to apply the distributive law. We have to multiply this outside x inside x with and plus 6y. Then we have to multiply this outside y with this x plus 6y. So starting solution, x into x means we have to add their powers. Then we have to multiply this x with 6y plus x into 6 into 1 means 6 and x into y means xy. Plus x into y means xy. They both variable have coefficient 1, so we don't have to write 1. Plus 6 into 1 means 6. Y into y means we have to add their powers as their bases are same. X power 1 plus 1 means x square. Here we have two like terms, 6xy and plus xy. So we have to simplify these two like terms. Plus we have to add them together. 6 plus 1 means we will get 7. So I am adding these two terms and we will get 7xy. And I have to put a plus sign with the resultant. So 7xy will be the resultant plus 7xy, and in the end we have to write plus 6y raised to the power 1 plus 1 means 2. So 6x square. This is our answer.